WhatsApp message deletion. Can we undo it?
Hello, and welcome to another informative video. Today, we're going to delve into an issue that many WhatsApp users have encountered at some point: accidentally deleting a message for everyone. We'll discuss what happens in this scenario, and whether there's any chance of reversing this action.
What does delete for everyone mean?
When you delete a message on WhatsApp using the Delete for Everyone option, the message is removed not only from your own chat history, but also from the recipient's. This feature is particularly handy when you send a message to the wrong person, or simply change your mind about what you've written. However, it's also possible to delete a message unintentionally, which can lead to lost information and communication mishaps.
Can I retrieve a message deleted for everyone?
The most straightforward answer is no. You cannot retrieve a message that has been deleted for everyone on WhatsApp. Once you've confirmed your decision to delete the message, it's erased from WhatsApp servers and cannot be recovered through the app itself. When you delete a message for everyone, WhatsApp replaces it with a "This message was deleted" note. The content of the original message is not stored or recoverable from the app directly.
Are there any workarounds?
While you cannot undo the deletion directly through WhatsApp, there are some potential workarounds, although they are not guaranteed to work for everyone. 1. Backups. WhatsApp automatically backs up chats at a specific time each day. If you've deleted a message, and the deletion occurred after the last backup, you could uninstall and reinstall the app to recover your chat history up to the last backup. However, this method will not work if the message was sent and deleted between backups. 2. Third-party apps. Some third-party apps claim to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, but these come with their own risks, such as privacy concerns and data loss. Always ensure to thoroughly research and review such apps before installing them. In conclusion, while WhatsApp's Delete for Everyone feature is great for correcting errors, an accidental deletion can lead to permanently lost messages. The key is to be careful when using this feature, as retrieval is typically not possible directly through the app. Always remember to regularly back up your chats to preserve your messages. Hope you found this video informative and useful. Thank you for watching.